This is a Magnum mont blanc. That's the key for it. The weight's in the vise. Top. The top is the top, bottom's the bottom. This is a brown belt wafer lock. I was gonna wait till this weekend to make the video, but I figured since I'm home and I was working on it, I probably should do it now. Adaptive turner and number 3 from the Reaper set. Both of them are from the Reaper set. Probably already lost it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, maybe 4. 1, 2. I don't want to let go. 1, 2, 3. I felt like it should open, but I might have something overset. Something. 1, 2. Come on, man. I literally just did this twice. Four. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Okay. So it has 4 wafers on the top, 4 wafers on the bottom. It's hard to tension and it doesn't really give good feedback. So I think that's why it's ranked brown belt. But that's the Mont Blanc.